Let's look at the Wyckoff schematics. In a Wyckoff schematics, UT, or you'll see it as UTAD, UTAD, means uptrust. Uptrust, the D means distribution. UTAD, uptrust at distribution. That's what it means. So it means when you move up, look at the volume at the bottom here. Let's go to the daily time frame. Remove all of this. This was the uptrust at the bottom here, distribution as well. All right. So you move back up. And you can't always tell what it is, but over time, as you're looking at it, you will be able to tell over time. Now, if you are to draw a trend line here, like this, you can see that you broke out of this channel as well, right? And you're rejecting it at the moment. But uptrust, let's go back here in Wyckoff. This is where distribution starts. You'll come back, you'll retest the previous resistance, and then you will start to break down. Break down, right? Is it going to come back up and retest the previous resistance? Right here. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you have this drop from UTAD. Let me see if I could do this maybe. Maybe this may be better side by side. Yeah. You guys can see this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have your BC right here, right? You have your selling, which is your call it maybe a SOW. Then this entire thing here, you have your UT and phase B, right? BC right here came down over here, SOW, and then you have your UT at the top here. Now you're breaking down over here, the bottom here, which now could be this area over here. See this area right here?
Yeah.
Could be this area here. And now the question is, am I going to move back up to this level here, or even this level here, and retest this area? Because somewhere over here, you can start having your LPSY. You see how it's forming? Yeah. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see now. I see.
That is when you will have the real distribution started. If this is going to play, we don't know if this is going to play out. We don't know. Because for all I know, this was not the top, and the market has not topped as yet. And you break out of this. Therefore, this was not the top. And this entire structure here could possibly be this PSY or BC playing out this entire thing, and then you still have to create a UT, because we're in wave 5. On Elliott wave, we're in wave 5, but we don't know if wave 5 is in yet or not. We don't know that yet, but we're still trying to figure out. But this is the part where you start trimming your long positions. You're taking profit. You don't want to be holding through wave 5. You want to start taking profit in wave 5. So we're watching to see if we're going to get an LPSY. And if we get an LPSY and a rejection, and the overall market has completed wave 5, you're going to see such a nasty selling on AMD and everything else in the market. And that's why I'm sitting on cash. I rather sell the rips at the moment if I see there's distribution coming. Well, what do you know? Look at that. the entire forecast using Elliott Wave, using Wyckoff for AMD, has played off. Today's date, I paused the other recording, and now it's 11:20. And that nasty sell-off I've been talking about, I've been preparing the Discord for why I've moved into cash. Here it is, playing off. We forecast a 202 price target, and we could go lower. We could go to 185.27 or 170 to fill that gap, and we're still targeting that gap down to 185, 170 if we are to break $202 on AMD. So that's what I'm looking for next. But we could see another push up here at rejects off of that 220 area and continue to move down lower and break that 202 support region. So that's what I'm looking for, AMD. At AA Charts, that's what we do. We analyze the charts using advanced technical analysis such as Wyckoff, Elliott Wave, and different methods so that our traders do not jump into the market taking the wrong side of the market when they shouldn't. Hopefully that was helpful. That was a one-on-one session with one of our members here. If you guys want analysis like this, I share a lot of free analysis on my Twitter profile. You don't need to join the Discord, but if you want real detailed analysis education, most of it is in the Discord. But again, you don't need to join. I post tons of free analysis on my Twitter page that you can use. If you have questions, please comment on whatever post I make. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. All right.